So a lot of y'all probably didn't know, but a cast iron pan, real good use to cooking some food in. We're gonna throw a rabbit in this pot, but it's good to use cast iron, and it actually helps get iron inside of your blood. Helps with the ladies too, after your cycle. Helps put iron in your blood. If anybody has certain blood types, you might need some iron in your blood. Use cast iron pans, certain foods. Cole, look all the birds. Sure, boy. You saw all of them just fly by? Oh, that's them cave Delaware birds. What they called, y'all? They like to make their little nest in with like mud, and they put a little hole in it. I can't think of the name. But let's go stick a rabbit in this pot and do some cooking. All right, so we got the rabbit. We about to throw the rabbit into the pot, cast iron pot, and yeah. Now there's some stuff that I like right here. It's called shrimp creole. We're gonna put that shrimp creole in that pot right there. And then I'm gonna put a little flour in there, and I got some other stuff going in there, but I ain't telling y'all everything that's going in my pot. I ask for recipes, my stuff's written down, and it goes to my family, that's it. But a little secret, there's some good stuff, and I'll show you some of the other stuff I might use. This right here, I can't tell you what this is. It's my little secret blend of some stuff right there that's gonna go in this pot with this rabbit. Spicy shit right here too. This is like the only spice that I'm gonna really need to put inside this pot. We'll show you this. I'm gonna put a cup of water in here to get this stuff going. I might add some more a little bit. I might put some of this right in here. Might put a little bay leaves. Might put a little mustard seed. Might put a little garlic powder. But I'm gonna taste and smell as I go. You can throw what you want in there. Oh, and I got some ground coming out too. Might put a little sprinkle of that up in there too. I almost forgot, I got my boy Papa Earl seasoning too. I'm gonna put some of that stuff up in there. Put that all up in there. It's a little extra spice. I gotta put a little bit of that in there too. That don't never hurt to put a little Papa Earl's in just everything and anything that you eat. All right, she's starting to roll. And it smells delicious. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat it. I won't even lie, y'all. Oh, this rabbit gonna be so good. It's gonna be a bomb ball. You gonna hear me say it too. Just hang tight, all right? All right, so I got the rabbit. We're gonna put the rabbit in the pot. We're gonna let that simmer down. I'm gonna put the lid on top of it, and we're gonna let that sit. All right, so the rabbit is rolling. We'll be back later to eat this rabbit. All right, y'all. I know. End of the video, why is he dressed? Okay. The rabbit. Oh, the rabbit is so good. Oh. My boy. Shabao. I ate a bunch of it last night. Now I'm finishing it off now. For lunchtime at work. But I'm gonna finish my lunch now, my rabbit for lunch. Have a good day. Cajun Dan out.